The decision to install solar panels has become increasingly popular among homeowners looking to reduce their energy bills and to promote a more sustainable way of living. But just how much can you save by going solar? The answer varies based on several factors that we will discuss in this video. At theenergyprofessor.com, you can find out how much you can be saving with solar panels by using our solar tool. There, we will calculate how much you could save at your address by switching to solar panels. We use the latest tools from Google to provide the most accurate estimates based on your roof, recent electricity bills, and our trusted list of solar installers. All you need to do is enter your home or business address, select your property type, then select your estimated average monthly electricity bill, and that's it. Our tools will calculate upfront costs after incentives, 20-year benefits, tax incentives, the total 20-year savings, and how many years it will take to get a payback from installing your panels. You will also be able to see the savings no matter if you're looking to buy, lease, or loan your solar panel system. You can get all of this plus a free quote over at theenergyprofessor.com. But let's learn more about the types of savings that you could be getting by switching to solar today. Number 1, energy bill reduction. On average, homeowners can save anywhere between 50 to 90% on their electricity bills after installing solar panels. This is particularly true in states with high energy rates. For instance, if your monthly bill is around $200, you could potentially save $100 to $180 per month. That's an annual savings of $1,200 to $2,100 each year. Number 2, federal and state incentives. In the US, the federal government offers a tax credit that allows homeowners to deduct a percentage of the cost of a solar panel system installation from their federal taxes. As of 2023, the credit is set at 30%. This incentive significantly lowers the upfront cost of a system. Additionally, many states provide their own incentives, such as rebates, tax exemptions, or performance-based incentives. This can further enhance your savings. Number 3, increased home value. Investing in solar panels can also increase the value of your home. Studies have shown that homes with solar energy systems sell for way more than those without. According to research from Zillow, homes with solar panels can command a premium of about 4% more than comparable homes without them. Number 4, long-term savings. While the initial cost of a solar panel installation can be substantial, the long-term savings are significant. Most solar systems have a lifespan of 25 years or more. Over this period, homeowners can save tens of thousands of dollars on energy costs, particularly if utility rates continue to rise. Now, before we get to number 5, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And number 5, net metering benefits. In many regions, net metering policies allow homeowners to receive credits for excess electricity generated by their solar panels and sent back to the grid. This can further offset costs, especially during peak energy usage times when rates are typically higher. While the exact amount of money saved with solar panels will vary, the potential for significant savings is clear by reducing electricity bills, taking advantage of incentives, increasing your home's value, and benefiting from net metering. As solar technology continues to advance and become more accessible, the economic benefits of going solar are only expected to grow. Don't forget to check out our free solar calculator to see how much you could save by switching to solar by clicking the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, happy savings, and we'll see you in the next video.